Today's video, what I'm going to be doing is taking out this water pump and putting in a new one. First thing you want to do is remove the serpentine belt. For me, I needed to go ahead and use my 1/2-inch ratchet, pull this down so I can, get the tension off of the actual belt in order to take it off. From here, what I need to do is go ahead and start removing the screws. It's a fairly easy process, especially since the serpentine belt's out of the way now. So you go ahead and start with taking these plugs off, but after that, go ahead and getting rid of these screws. There should be 9 of them, and then you can take the whole thing out. To the both side of this, you want to take these 3. You don't necessarily have to take these nuts out in order to get to these 2. That's what I'm going to do. Pretty sure I use like a like T26, T27, something like that. The next thing you want to do is take this, pull it down, and you can remove it. Same thing with this one. Push it down, and it's out the way. So I move these over to the side. And from here, I want to go ahead and start taking out these nuts. You can see how this looks. The only difference is one, this pulley's up here, but the other difference is just the style of bolts that's in here. You can see that these are the star torque joints. These are the same thing, but just a little bit different. If I had to guess, these would be a bigger size. If you look, not that it actually matters, you can see this is like the rounded head, whereas this is more like a flat